Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the free Facebook page growth checklist. Here's a checklist with 50 checkpoints to help you grow your Facebook page. First is profile optimization. Use a high quality recognizable image. The cover photo, use a engaging image that represents your brand. About section, write a compelling description of your page and also include relevant contact details. The second is content strategy. Post consistently, maintain a regular posting schedule, high quality content, share content that is valuable and engaging, mix up your content with different formats, example photos, videos, links, and ensure your content is relevant to your audience. Call to action include a clear call to action in your post. And also respond to comments. Engage with the audience by responding to comments, like and share, interact with other pages and users by liking and sharing the content. Encourage the engagement. Ask questions, run polls, and encourage discussion. The fourth, visual appeal. Use high quality images, use clear, high resolution images in your post. Use videos. Videos tend to perform well on Facebook, so include them in your content strategy. And use graphics. Create visually appealing graphics to accompany your Facebook post. And host live sessions. Use Facebook Live to engage. And use stories. Post regularly to your Facebook stories to keep your audience engaged. Share behind the scenes content. Use stories to show a more personal side of your brand. And create events. Use Facebook events to promote upcoming events or promotions. Promote events, share your events on your page and in relevant groups to maximize visibility. And monitor performance. Regularly check your Facebook insights to track the performance of your page and post. Adjust strategy. Use analytics data to adjust your content strategy and improve engagement. And by using this checklist, you can optimize your Facebook page and increase the chances of growing your audience and engagement levels as well. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.